This is Pig Blue, pig test number 18.
Hi, I'm Mike from New Pig. Today we're back in the absorbatory to talk about Pig Blue absorbent mat. This guy is thick and thirsty. No, not that guy. Keep going. More to the right. Yeah, that guy. Pig Blue is our most absorbent mat. And that's saying a lot since New Pig is the #1 brand of absorbents in the world. Pig Blue is specifically designed for situations where you need a mat that has super absorbency. This thing just can't be stopped.
Our proprietary Fiberfusion technology uses super absorbent natural fibers with engineered multi-layer synthetics at precise temperatures to prevent loft collapse, which can happen with natural fibers. This creates an exceptionally thick mat that is the most absorbent we've ever made. Fiberfusion technology is what makes Pig Blue thick and thirsty. Others have tried to make mats using natural fibers, but they can't match the consistency of Pig Blue. This results in leak zones where nasty fluids can pass through the mats and get to your floor. Fiberfusion technology enables the absorbent material to be evenly and consistently distributed throughout the entire mat. This means every square inch of Pig Blue has the same super absorbent performance.
When you've got high volume leaks and spills, we know you need to clean them up quickly so you can get back to work. With Pig Blue, you'll absorb more, use less, and have fewer change-outs. That's one thick and thirsty mat. From your friends at New Pig, here's to a job well done.